Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to freeze your location on Snapchat. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important step. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Snapchat application. Then in this interface, at the bottom left corner, you need to click on the Friends icon. And now in this interface, at the bottom of your screen, you need to click on this little button. After that, you will see this map. In this interface, at the top right corner, you need to click on the little gear icon. After that, you will see this list of options. All you need to do is to click on the ghost mode, and then in this list of options, you need to click on the last one until turned off. After that, you need to go to your iPhone settings. Then you need to scroll down and find Snapchat application here. Here it is. In this list of options, you need to click on the first one, location, and then click on the never. After that, you can open your Snapchat application again, and after that, your location will be freezed. And that's how to freeze your location on Snapchat. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.